Welcome to episode 7 of eCommerce Today, the bite-sized programme keeping you up to date on interesting and relevant news in UK e-commerce. My name's 𝗏𝗲𝘃𝗲𝗿, the founder of Developer Connection, the marketplace where you can find high-quality e-commerce developers all across the country. Today we're talking about more than half of customers looking outside of Amazon for better deals this Prime Day, Wilko closing its last bricks and mortar stores but relaunching Wilko.com, and Waitrose looking to sell its groceries through Amazon to restore its shrinking market share. First up, Amazon's Prime Day starting tomorrow. Research shows that 58% of shoppers will be comparing Amazon's prices with other retailers on the 10th and 11th this month. A massive 80% of all consumers across the US and Europe will be looking for deals over the 2 days, and shoppers say they'll buy from elsewhere if the quality is better, there's more choice, or delivery times are faster. So if you're offering any of these things, you could well see a solid uptick in sales. Next up, Wilko. They've now closed all remaining bricks and mortar stores, but have told customers they can look forward to a relaunch of Wilko.com, where they can continue to buy the products they love. The range have come to an agreement to buy Wilko, and as part of the deal, a number of employees from the digital team have transferred over to run the online store. And lastly, Waitrose are discussing a deal to sell their groceries through Amazon. Waitrose have lost market share to cheaper rivals during the cost of living crisis, and they hope to restore it with this deal giving them an extra sales channel. The partnership will be similar to the one recently formed by Iceland. That's the end of today's programme. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. Please drop a like or comment on this video, and I'll see you soon for the next UK e-commerce news roundup.